We believe that if we want to reduce weight, we should join a gym on January 1st and begin exercising there. Exercising frequently, we will finally lose weight. Here's some terrible news, though. I reviewed over 60 research on this, and as it turns out, exercising doesn't do much to help you lose weight. Several of the most significant investigations have been carried out by Dr. Kevin Hall at the National Institutes of Health. On weight loss and exercise rebranding is something we must do. Workout isn't. It's wonderful for health is probably the finest thing you can do as a weight loss tool per se. Anything you might carry out to enhance your health, in addition to quitting smoking. So don't consider it a tool for losing weight. Workout will undoubtedly prolong your life. A better life. It's simply not the ideal method for slimming down. And there must be a reason. Relating to the energy utilization of our body. Although you might not be aware of it, physical activity is only a small portion of your daily energy expenditure. Our bodies expend energy in 3 primary ways. Your resting metabolism is one of these, so that's how much energy your body uses solely at rest. Essentially merely to keep you alive, for its essential functions. Thermic effect of food is the other component of energy expenditure, and that's basically how much energy is needed for food digestion in the body. Activity is the third component of energy expenditure. Most people only engage in physical activity, which is any movement, for around 10% to 30% of total energy utilization. Hence, the vast majority of calories or energy you burn each day is derived from your resting or basal metabolism, which you have very little control over. Not much control. Your calories in are up 100% while only around 30% of your calories out are under your control, according to you. According to one study, a 200-pound man would burn more calories if he ran for an hour, 4 days a week, for a month. Lose no more than 5 pounds, provided nothing else changes. And nothing else remains the same. Researchers discovered that we produce a variety of behavioral and physiological changes that occur when we start exercising more. Every day, we receive. First off, exercise has been shown to improve people's hungry. And I'm sure you recognize the sentiment. Take a morning spinning class, and by the time you eat breakfast, you might double the usual serving of oatmeal since you are so hungry. Additionally, there is evidence to show that some individuals just slow down after exercising. Therefore, you might be less likely to take the stairs if you ran in the morning. At a job. The term compensatory behavior refers to them. The many ways we unintentionally harm our workouts. Metabolic compensation is another phenomenon that researchers have also found. People begin to. If they lose weight, their resting metabolism may decrease. Thus, your resting energy expenditure is lower. That implies that if you start to lose weight, this bar can get smaller. Even though there is still a ton of research to be done, one 2012 study stands out. In Tanzania, they ventured out into the heart of the savannah to gauge the amount of energy expended by the Hadza, a group of hunters, congregate. They are lean, extremely active hunters and gatherers. They don't spend their days sitting at a desk, in front of a computer. And what they discovered shocked them. We discovered that there was absolutely no change. Hence, although they led a considerably more physically active lifestyle than the Hadza, they weren't burning any more calories. Daily calories than adults in the US and Europe. But, the power they utilized for physical other activities were being offset or preserved. How do they maintain their slimness, then? They avoid overeating. The calories we burn off when exercising can be swiftly replaced. Running for an hour would be sufficient to burn off a Big Mac and fries. To burn off 3 glasses, you'd need to dance quite hard for roughly 1 hour. A possible wine pairing for dinner. Cycling extremely hard for 1 hour as a workout. The equivalent of 2 donuts on bicycles. So, exercise is best viewed as a beneficial activity. A supplementary plan for a food-centered strategy. However, despite the US's exceptionally high obesity rates, government organizations continue to make Exercise as a remedy, as do businesses with a genuine interest in ensuring that we continue to consume their products. Companies like Coca-Cola have been supporting the exercise since the 1920s. Message. The concept is that you can consume all of them. Extra soda bottles as long as you exercise. Yet, as we can see, it doesn't actually operate that way. It is really difficult to actually burn off the additional calories from a soda can. In this nation, obesity is a problem that shouldn't exist. Treat consuming too many calories and a lack of physical activity as equal contributors. The improvement of our food environment should be a top priority for public health policymakers. To assist consumers in choosing foods that are healthier. Exercise can help you lose weight, it's not impossible. It's simply harder. And we have to understand how that operates. Even if you do visit the gym and burn all these calories, it will take a lot of time. You exert a considerable amount of effort. After eating a slice of pizza, you can forget about anything in 5 minutes. Most individuals are not fully aware of how unexpected the relative magnitude actually is. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for more videos to help you achieve your weight loss goal.